Welcome back. So the question here is the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of a moon is 1.7 meter per second square. What is the time period of a simple pendulum on the surface of moon if its time period on the surface of earth is 3.5 seconds? G on the surface of earth is 9.8 meter per second square. The time period of a simple pendulum of length L executing SHM is given by capital T equals 2 pi root over L by G. So G is 9.8, GM is 1.7 meter per second square. The time period of the pendulum on the surface of Earth is 3.5 seconds. The time period of the pendulum on the surface of the moon is Tm. Now Tm by Te equals root over G by Gm. So from here we can find out the time period for in case of moon, and it is coming out to be equal to 8.4 seconds.